Right, let's get started. This is a really exciting video. I feel like I say that in every single video, but I just get excited about all new products. So, yeah. So, as you've seen by the title and the thumbnail, and you could kind of probably guess it, my last two videos are ABH reviews, and I'm really sorry about that. I just had a little break, and then I wanted to get the dip brow gels up. Ooh. I wanted to get the dip brow gel video up, and then I wanted to get this video up, so I do have other videos. This is the ABH Riviera palette. Look at this box. And then they have the Dewy Set, which is a setting spray. And then look at this box. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is their loose highlighters. Ooh. I'm really excited about these, although I'm a bit worried because I don't know what shade I would suit, because this I feel like will be too white and then this will be too dark. I may have to mix those together, but the packaging is insane. Is the packaging, it's kind of like fabric material, and this is what it looks like inside. How beautiful is that? So happy that ABH are finally dipping their toes into colour, and I really hope they keep going with colour, because as much as I love ABH and their products, their palettes were kind of getting a little bit boring just because they were all very similar. Anyway, I'm going to do 4 swatches because I just wanted to kind of just see. Seychelles first, which is this shade. Oh my god, I didn't even need to rub my finger in it that much. I'm going to do Bahamas. That's such a bright pink, I love it. And do Cannes. Ooh. And then I'm going to do Inheritance as well. So beautiful. Okay, I've zoomed you in a bit just so you can see things better. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in the shade 01 to prime my eyelids. So I'm going to take the brush from the palette and I'm going to use the flat side, and I'm going to take the shade Cannes, which is the purple, and I'm going to pack that into my outer corner and also bring it into the front of my crease, like the lowest part of the front of my crease, if that makes sense. You'll see what I'm doing. This is super pigmented. It's a really nice purple. It's like the perfect purple shade. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Just packing it on. I'm now going in with a little bit more of Cannes, that shade, taking it on a tiny fluffy brush, and I'm just going to slightly blend out those edges so there isn't a harsh line. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Bahamas, which is the bright pink. I'm going to just pack that a little bit above and a little bit on that purple shade. So I'm mostly just packing it on and then slightly blending a little bit, but not too much, mostly just packing. Now I think I'm going to take a little bit of Monte Carlo, which is just a lighter pink. I'm not sure if it will come up very light or what, and I'm just going to blend that like on and above that pink. Right, so I have been going back and forth with a few shades, but now I'm going to go back in with the purple, which is Cannes, and taking it on a little fluffy brush just to blend out that purple. Because it's quite harsh. I'm not sure if it's just my eyes being weird, or I don't know, I feel like I'm just struggling to blend these out. I'm going to cut my crease using the Anastasia A4 brush and the P. Louise white base. I'm just doing a half cut crease. Now I'm actually going to firstly take the shade Sails, the matte white, and I'm going to pack that on the inner part of the half cut crease, so right kind of in the inner corner to brighten up. I'm now going to go in with the shade Seychelles, which is the Speak Alice. I'm going to go in with this shade, but I'm going to go in with it, I was going to go in with it next to the white, but I'm going to go in with it more this side, because I'm going to put the shade Inheritance in the middle. Wow. To be honest, ABH shimmers are insane. This shade, I'm like hardly tapping on it as well. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Inheritance, which is the yellowy gold shade. And I'm just going to pack that in between. Back in with a little bit of Can, just to blend out that edge where the shimmer is. So what I'm going to do is do most of my base apart from highlighter, and then come back, finish the under eyes and do highlighter and stuff. So, okay, so now for my lower lash line, I think I'm going to go in with this brown, which is the shade Palm. And I'm just going to run that like real close to my lash line. Now I'm going to take the pink shade Bahamas and blend that out underneath. And also connect it up into the outer corner of my lid. So I'm now going to be trying out the Dewy Set spray. This packaging is so beautiful. Norvina was talking on her story saying that this isn't that glittery. It's not glittery at all, it doesn't have any pigment. It's just a spray that will make your skin dewy, and I'm so excited about this. And I'm also going to try out the highlighters. It has one of those lock things, which is so handy. And then, ooh, that is a real fine mist. Okay. Ooh, it smells so nice as well. I think Norvina said it was vanilla and coconut. I don't usually like coconut, but oh my gosh, right, okay. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I might just try a little bit of So Hollywood. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the shade Snowflake. I'm going to take a little bit of that. This is what it looks like. It's quite dark, but I'm going to go in with Snowflake on my inner corner. Oh, I love that as an inner corner highlighter. So that is the highlighter. I really, really like it. At first I wasn't sure, but mixing the shades together and kind of blending it out a bit more, really, really like it, especially as an inner corner highlighter. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to put on some lashes and some lipstick and then tell you my full opinion when I get back. So this is the finished look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills new spring collection. So the Riviera palette, the loose highlighters, and also the Dewy Set setting spray. I am really impressed with these. I always love ABH products. I think the quality of them is so good, and I'm so glad they've started getting some more colour. At first I wasn't sure about this look, but now looking at it with like lashes and everything else on, I feel like that always happens. I'm not sure on a look, and then when I put the lashes on and finish off the look, I really like it. I love the tones in the palette. I think the shade's just so beautiful for spring and also for summer. I'm excited to try out the other shades, like this shimmer as well and this shimmer, and then more of the neutral shades as well. The white is really good. Also on my lips is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Honey Matte Lipstick, if you were wondering. And these lashes are the Bold Face Make It Count lashes. The lashes were really pigmented, and I love the bright pink shade. I really want to try it on like my inner corner as a pop of colour at one point. I wasn't sure if I was going to like them. I'm not a huge fan of loose highlighters because I haven't really tried many. And also I was worried it would be too glittery, but I think it looks really, really nice if you just blend it out. And I really... Rosie, please stop. Please stop scratching. I need to film. I really like the two shades mixed together, So Hollywood and Snowflake. There is a darker shade as well, the pink packaging, which is the shade Sunset Aura. But I'm not going to open that. I most likely will give that away. I've got setting spray all over this box. I love all the packaging of everything. I always love ABH packaging though. It's just, they do it so well. I really like the Dewy Set. I don't think it's... I was going to say I'm not sure if it's done much, but I think it's really like made my powder set into my face and made my face not look very powdery, whereas I was beforehand. And I love the packaging and I love the smell. I'm excited to try out these products again and use them in looks and stuff. I will be definitely doing more looks with the palette over on my Instagram, which is Alice King Makeup, if you want to go follow me over there. I'm going to show you an up close of my eyeshadow and my base with the highlighter. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. If there's anything else you want me to review, let me know. I think I'm going to do a BH Cosmetics X Daisy Marquez palette review. So that should be up soon, and my full face of first impressions will be up soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!